Now let's all play King of the Hill. Hello there. Just 7 of them here. That poor little thing just born. There's Pandora's little girl. Hi there, fella. You want some attention? What else we got? Where are the rest of the kids? Well, I guess they're all out there with their mamas, watching them fight over the food. Oh yeah. There's the rest of them out there. Oh. And one that appears to like chewing on twine. Here's a few of the kids from this year. Nice crop of pretty little Kiko crosses. Who do you want? Who do you want? That little one down there was just born yesterday, so she's not as big as the others. What are you doing in there, honey? Is your leg stuck? Wonder if her leg is stuck. Oh, here's another bunch of kids. Sarah. Everybody's down under there. That's that pretty little guy. Shades of brown. More, and more. Hi, little guy. Little blackies. Don't jump off. There you go. Pretty little cashmere buck. He's going to be nice if he looks anything like his, well, half-brother cousin or whatever. Who's making that funny noise? Are you? Are you making that funny noise at a fella? A little girl. I don't even know if you're a fella or a girl. But you're cute. There's another one. There's another one. You got your horns early, didn't you? You must have been, I bet you were that first little buck born. And who are we? Huh? Oh, there's another one of those little black and white ones here. Stuck under there, I didn't even see her. Could be a he. And what is it with you? He loves the twine. I don't know why. It's crazy. Likes to chew on it.